What has been the biggest takeaway for you?
That every failure is a stepping stone towards success. This house has given the biggest lesson of not being ashamed of who you are. You don't have phones, you don't have ways to move out, you don't have places to run away. All you have to do is face your problem. A wrong perception about yourself, break it, embrace it, rebuild it, move on. Confidence that you have and the love that you have for yourself. And it just works for you. Hi, I'm Rubina Dulik, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Rubina, welcome on Bollywood Hangama and heartiest congratulations on winning the Big Boss house.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, what has been the biggest takeaway for you for your 143-day stay?
That every failure is a stepping stone towards success.
You know, one thing that I personally have developed a huge respect for your journey has been that you've fought for your dignity. You fought for your self-respect. People have called it superiority, but whatever. But you stuck to the belief, the self-esteem that you have about yourself. How important was it for you to maintain that dignity and self-respect?
I think it is the most important thing, not just for me. I think for all of us who believe in their own selves. When you shed off the fear of what people will think, whether whether I'll be judged for it, should I please someone else? When you just break yourself out of this fear, all you have is your own dignity and on your own self-respect, and you stand firm for it. That's all. I mean, that's all is the confidence that you have and the love that you have for yourself, and it just works for you.
One thing that has been noticed by I think anyone and everyone, that you're not playing it for the camera. You, as you yourself mentioned, that you're not trying to please anyone. That element of slight reclusiveness and slight detachment, do you think that also connected with the audience?
Yes, because I think as human beings, we all connect on a basic level, which is emotion. So if you are true to yourself, that means you're projecting the honest self, the honest version of yourself. And on a very human basic level, you're able to connect with people, wherein you embrace your flaws, wherein you embrace your mistakes, and you say that it's okay to be a flawed human being. It's okay that I've committed mistakes. It's okay that I'm not perfect. And that's who we are. We are, work in progress. And if we are okay to accept it, I think it just connects with each and every person, because we all are connected with that one basic thing, which is the emotion.
All right. One thing that that maybe people may have perceived when you entered the house, that she's this innocent looking and she's dainty, and how will she cope with the pressures that a Big Boss house is supposed to pose in front of you? But one thing that has been noticed consistently, that you're always up for a challenge. You're always up for a confrontation. You're always up for giving it back in no uncertain terms. So do you think that you also broke the perception that maybe people may have had about you?
I did not know that this is the perception people had about me, because I've always been like this. I mean, even in my, say for example, during my school days or the little bit of college life that I had experienced, people used to be just surprised the way I used to put forth my thought process or my opinions, because सबको ये लगता था कि यार, एक तो coming from a small town, coming from a very conservative background, so people just thought कि यार, मना लेंगे, मैनिपुलेट कर लेंगे, बोल देंगे, दबा लेंगे, चुप करवा लेंगे, शायद कुछ, दिखती तो इतनी सी है, क्या बोलेगी, क्या करेगी. बट घर में लिटरली हमें अपनी बात कहने का और रखने का इतनी फ्रीडम और इतनी एक्सेप्टेंस दी जाती थी, तो कहीं ना कहीं this thing has I would like to, I mean, give this credit to my parents who have given us the freedom to express ourselves in such ways that they never judged us. So we never feared what people will think or how people will judge and perceive us. So, charity begins at home. The first education begins at home.
Of course, the sort of society that all of us live in, we all of us tend to be afraid of being judged.
Yes.
Everyone wants someone to speak to just pour their heart out, to maybe just shell out their deepest concerns and demons, maybe at times. But
Yes.
since all of us, we are afraid that how people will perceive, so people tend to maybe put up a facade. Has Big Boss also been an experience for you in terms of exploring your inner self? You shared a few details about your tryst with maybe depression at times that have been there. In a way, was it therapeutic? Was this experience therapeutic in a way?
Yes, it was an absolute therapy, I would say, because you've rightly said, when you shed the fear of being judged, that is when you can embrace yourself the way you are, which means that you embrace yourself with the shortcomings and you aren't ashamed of embracing them publicly. Because once you embrace them, you break the barriers which hinder you from a self evolving progress. And it is matlab, with all the social norms and society and how you will be judged, log kya kahenge wala jo funda hota hai na, we go in the cocoon and the shell of ke yaar, no, I don't want to express it, nahi log kya kahenge, what if I cry, people will think I'm weak. You always want to be liked by everyone, so hence you don't accept and appreciate yourself. All you do is उसको क्या पसंद है वो बोल दो, उसको क्या अच्छा लगेगा वो कह दो. So in that process somewhere we have lost the ability to embrace ourselves completely. uh, this house has given the biggest lesson of not being ashamed of who you are. Embrace yourself, because that is going to help you build or rebuild a new self of your own, which will be for your own betterment. So I think the house was like a wrong perception about yourself. Break it, embrace it, rebuild it, move on. So this was an ongoing process for me, I which I kind of uh, I learned while I was in the house.
How much of a self discovery was it for you and Abhinav in terms of getting to know each other?
A huge part of it. Uh, in the world here, we have a lot of options. We have escapes. We have choices. If we have an argument, we can just turn ourselves to Netflix, TV देख लिया, phone पे busy हो गए, friends के साथ चले गए. हमारी कोई confrontation होगी तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Okay, just leave it. Get busy. Let's go to some party, chill, eat outside, and come back. We don't face our problems. We don't confront our demons. We don't look within what is troubling or what is the core problem, which is projecting on the relationship or on the other person. In Big Boss house, you don't have phones, you don't have ways to move out, you don't have places to run away. All you have to do is face your problem, face the challenge in the face of it. Option kya rahega? Fight or take a flight. So we chose to fight those demons within ourselves, and in return it gave us a better understanding about who we are on individual level. How should we treat our relationship um, on a mutual level? What are the ways that we can invest our energies in respect to building the relationship with fresh perspective? So when you don't have choice, you have to really, really fight. Hi, I'm Rubina Dulik, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.